Hello friends, welcome to Sunita's Cuisine. Easy homemade food that is delicious and divine. Hello friends, today I am going to share with you Chana Puri recipe. Chana Puri is a very easy, comfort and wholesome food. There are two recipes in this video. Chana is black chickpeas cooked in a flavorful spice blend and puris are a fried flatbread. I have soaked the chickpeas overnight. Next day, boil the chickpeas with a pinch of salt until they are soft and tender. The other ingredients for this recipe are half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoon garam masala powder and salt according to your taste. Mix all the spices together and pour 1/4 cup of water and prepare it into a paste. In a pan, pour 1/4 cup of oil and pour the paste and cook till the oil oozes on top. Add the chickpeas and the salt and cook till the chickpeas are dry. Garnish the chickpeas with some coriander leaves. The ingredients for the puris are 3 cups of whole wheat flour and 2.5 cups of warm water. To prepare the puri dough, mix the flour with water gradually until a soft dough is formed. Cover and rest the dough for 15 minutes. Form the dough into lime-sized balls. Roll the puris into small thick discs. Deep fry the puris till they puff up. Drain the puris on the paper towel. Here I am serving my puris with chana and fresh mango pulp. Puris are versatile and taste good with sweet and savory sides. Chana puri can be made on any occasions and can be served for breakfast, lunch or dinner. Friends, if you try this recipe at home, please leave a comment in the comment section. If you enjoyed my video, please give a like and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you and God bless you.